Birthplace is a very unique concept in maternity and birthing. It's a one-of-a-kind service for mothers to be everywhere, and it focuses on the joy of pregnancy. The main reason why we focused on maternity and why we started a place like the Birthplace is we didn't want sense for us that people needed to go to a place full of sickness and sadness like a hospital for such a happy occasion as delivering their baby. At the Birthplace, we have 25 rooms. All of them are in a private room setting. Some are more comfortable than the others, and we have the latest in medical equipment such as the best LDR suites, whether it's the ultrasound equipment or the operation theatres. We're well more than equipped to take care of everything in this field of obstetrics, gynecology and neonatology. So when I talk about pricing, it's very important that I talk about why we are priced in a certain way. At the Birthplace, a price for a normal delivery costs 1,05,000 rupees. Unlike other hospitals, this 1,05,000 rupees comes with no conditions apply, right? So if you go to a typical hospital and you say a delivery costs 65,000 rupees, it has a huge list of exclusions. This is not excluded, this is not included, this only includes 2 days of stay. At the Birthplace, you don't need to worry about how much the bill is going to come out after you deliver. When you say it costs when we tell you it costs 1,05,000 to deliver your baby, it's going to cost you 1,05,000, not a rupee more. Even if the doctor says, for argument's sake, that you need to stay here for 10 days. Over here, we can do 6 deliveries a day or roughly 200 deliveries in a month. That's the capacity. And we're small by design. The reason we do that is to make sure that we're able to dedicate the kind of attention that each and every mother deserves during. We encourage that a family member is there with the mother during the time of delivery, be it in the operation theatre or in the labor and delivery LDR suite. No, I think in terms of targeting, if you look at the kind of facilities that we offer and if you look at the price point, this is not a sickness. This is something that's very different. I'd like to actually compare it to something like a wedding, right? So if we would say strongly target the upper middle and upper classes with this concept, but frankly speaking, I think it's not an unplanned expenditure like a heart attack. It is a very well planned expenditure that you have more than 9 months to plan for financially or otherwise. This is the Birthplace is the first of its kind right now, and we're looking at setting up 5 to 7 more facilities in the next 5 years, beginning with South India, places like Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Chennai, Coimbatore. Thanks a lot.
delivery also, all everybody, even the doctors, even the nurses, everybody, they have taken care very well. And after delivery also, they have suggested all the precautions and necessary actions what I have to take care.
Thumbs up, keep the Google going.
Husband, he is very much satisfied than everybody. He is the one who, he is, now also he is telling to everybody that birthplace is very nice and they have allowed me to enter into the delivery room also, and I have felt like how the birth will be. And this is a wonderful experience. That's what he was saying to everybody. If I am in Hyderabad, definitely I will choose birthplace.
About making it casual, but it's about making it a little more informal. So when you're sitting around the table as opposed to across the table, you encourage the mother to ask as many questions as you want. You encourage the mother to be friendly with the doctor. If you look at the waiting area, there's one thing. So we, like I said before, we are small by design. You'll notice that our waiting area is not filled with chairs for visitors. And the reason we do that is we pre-schedule each and every appointment that's here. We don't want mothers who are anyway pregnant, and then it's hard enough to come out of the house when you're pregnant. And it's really bad if hospitals make them wait for hours on end for their ultrasound appointment, for their consultations, for their billing. So we've made the waiting area very small and comfortable, and it's not going to get too crowded here, and they're going to come in here and get a very quick appointment done. This is the living room where I talked about before, the 9 months of activity. This is the room we're in. Obviously looks different when we're not in it. So this, as I've highlighted before, is a passage that we have here. And one thing that really stands out here is that we don't have any room numbers, right? And as I said before, everyone has received, so there's no need for having a room number. Even the smallest room that we have is very comfortable for not just the mother, but for one of their family members, either it's the husband or the mother-in-law or the mother, to stay along with them. We have a really nice and comfortable sofa bed for them. It's not just a sofa. And we encourage that the family stays with the mother when they're here. This is one of the suite rooms that we have. One thing that I really wanted to talk about is the LDR suite. So it is something that's very, very convenient for mothers. When you look at a typical hospital, what happens is they get moved to a delivery room, labor room first, where they go through the labor pains. Then they get moved to a delivery room, where they actually do the delivery. Then they get moved to a separate recovery room, where they recover with or without the baby, depending on the hospital's policies. Over here in the LDR suite, the mother comes in when her labor pain starts. Right? She goes through the entire process of delivery until she delivers, and she has enough time to recuperate and go back to her room. We ensure that the baby, unless medically indicated or unless the doctor recommends, doesn't leave the mother's side.